G'day all. Got a follow up on that butchered detector. The one that had the front end cut out of it. And the mylar strip that was ripped. We've soldered on a new mylar strip. As you can see, brand new. We've replaced the front end components. I haven't finished cleaning up the board. Need a bit of alcohol on it. Done that. There was a bit of a mess under the board on the multiplexer chip where it had some legs ripped off it, but that's all fixed up as well. And now this detector's all meant to be burnt out and so forth, someone said. Well, works perfect for me after it's been fixed up. Sitting here on the bench, connected up to a double D coil sitting there. There's a bit of interference around having it inside. It's probably this light here right over the top of it, but anyway. 0.05 gram, tiny. Picking up perfectly, 0.1 gram. We'll check the ground balance. Okay, I think it's, can't remember. Okay, into fixed, tracking. Hot rock. Tracked it out beautifully. So the butchered detector is all back to operation. So if the moral of the story, if your detector plays up, don't send it to a butcher. And it can be made to work really easily. But yeah, this one took a bit of work. Catches.